problem, the derivative of the a power x with respect to sin inverse x is. So the derivative of a power x, first we take that f is equals to a power x and g is equal to sin inverse x. What is the given question? Derivative of f of x with respect to sin inverse x, that is we want the value df by dg. And what is this formula? df by dg is equal to derivative of the first function by derivative of the second function. What is derivative of the first function? A power x log a to the base e. What is the derivative of the second function? 1 by square root of 1 minus x square. So the answer is equals to a power x log a to the base e into square root of 1 minus x square. So df by dg is equal to first function derivative by second function derivative, that is equal to a power x into log a into root 1 minus x square, which is the first option. Next problem, the derivative of cos inverse of 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square with respect to tan inverse of 2x by 1 minus x square. Here also first I take that first function is equal to cos inverse of 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square is equal to f. And the second function is equal to g, that is tan inverse of 2x by 1 minus x square. Now before finding the derivatives, first we take the simplification of the given functions. So first I take that here x is equal to tan theta. Then what is f value? F is equal to cos inverse of 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta, that is equal to cos 2 theta. That is f is equal to 2 theta and f is equal to 2 into tan inverse x. X is equal to tan theta means theta is equal to tan inverse x. Here also I take that x is equal to tan theta. Then the value of g is equal to tan inverse of. Now this is when we take x is equal to tan theta, then what we get? 2 tan theta by 1 minus tan square theta. And what is that value? Tan 2 theta. So g is equal to 2 theta, that is g is equal to 2 tan inverse x. Now what we want? The derivative of the first function with respect to the second function, that is nothing but the derivative of the first function by derivative of the second function. So 2 into derivative of the first function is equal to 1 by 1 plus x square, and 2 into derivative of tan inverse x is equal to 1 by 1 plus x square. Now the two terms are cancelled, so the answer is equal to 1. That is the second option. Next problem, derivative of the sin inverse x with respect to cos inverse square root of 1 minus x square. So first we take that f is equal to sin inverse x and g is equal to cos inverse of root 1 minus x square. And next we take the simplification of this function. So I take that x is equal to sin theta here. Then what we get? G is equal to cos inverse of square root of 1 minus sin square theta, that is equal to cos theta. That is g is equal to theta, means this is equal to sin inverse x. So f is equal to sin inverse x, g is equal to sin inverse x. Derivative of the sin inverse x with respect to cos inverse of root 1 minus x square, that is nothing but df by dg. That is first function derivative by second function derivative. First function derivative is equal to 1 by square root of 1 minus x square. Second function derivative is equal to 1 by square root of 1 minus x square. Both are cancelled. So answer is equal to 1. Answer is equal to 1. That is the third option. Next problem. If sin of x plus y is equal to log of x plus y, then what is the value of the dy by dx? So given that sin of x plus y is equal to log of x plus y, we want the dy by dx value. So just doing derivative, sin of x plus y derivative is equal to cos of x plus y into again x derivative 1 and y derivative dy by dx is equal to log of x plus y derivative 1 by x plus y into again this value derivative 1 plus dy by dx. Now we want the dy by dx value. So writing the dy by dx terms here, cos of x plus y plus cos of x plus y into dy by dx, just multiplying the values. Cos of x plus y plus cos of x plus y into dy by dx is equals to 1 by x plus y plus 1 by x plus y into dy by dx. Now writing the dy by dx terms at one side and remaining at one side, that is cos of x plus y minus 1 by x plus y is equals to. Now taking dy by dx common and writing the remaining two terms, writing these two and taking dy by dx common. So dy by dx into 1 by x plus y minus cos of x plus y. Just writing this value to this side and taking dy by dx common here. Now these two terms are cancelled and here we get minus 1. Therefore the value of dy by dx is equal to minus 1. That is the last option. These are the same terms with minus difference. So answer is equal to minus 1. That is the last option.